Hi, my name is Sahit. I'm pursuing third year CSE from Bennett University. I'm here with my team members Satya and Siddhant. We are here to present our project on drone delivery. We have been working on building the drone for delivery goods and services through an application to order and get the delivery at the desired location. These transport has become a hectic task, especially in the time of Corona as well. UAV or drone have been developing brilliantly in the last few decades and showed remarkable progress in the application where humans reach is either difficult in dusty and risky activities with advanced technology. The technology advancement is making the UAV much more better in its advancements in computing innovation, programming, lightweight materials, abilities, and fueling the interest in UAV worldwide. The use of drone could decrease the labor cost and have been hyped as a potential delivering or parcel industry. Online retailers and delivery companies such as Amazon are ready in filling partners for development for the multi-level fulfillment centers for UAVs or drone beehives that would allow the development of these technologies within the built environment. We have come up with this idea that our drone is capable enough to lift 5 to 6 kgs to deliver food, medicines, daily essentials, etc. It can deliver items to remote areas or places where it's difficult for an individual to travel and to deliver in an areas where it is totally disconnected from the world due to heavy snow or dry land. The lightweight packages has also replaced many deliveries currently made by traditional delivery vehicles. We are going to fly the drone using Raspberry Pi and we are making the drone and the application communicate with each other using MQTT server with a connected external model. Drones generally use 4 to 8 propellers with rechargeable batteries to provide thrust and attach the packages underneath the bodies of the drone. Delivery drones have been remotely operated with operators potentially overseeing multiple drones at once. In future enhancement, we have been working on autonomous functionalities of the drone. Understanding the significance of drone transport in this time of health emergency, governments international over such rules and encourages the drones complain increasingly to enhance their capacity to serve the mankind in each possible way on its time of crisis. The highest amount of drone delivery services, even as going protection in mind, is that what ours to prevent the wheels rolling the less of human touch.
Thank you, Sahit, for explaining. So, guys, my name is Siddhant, and I'm here to explain you the front end, like the interface of the application, how it's going to perform, what is it. I will tell you the source code of the application and the Java and the script for the application as well. So, as you Sahit told, what our project is, what is it all about? What we are going to do in the future to make it a better component to deliver more things, to deliver as per as the user need or as per as the demands in the future. So our application is based on the JavaScript, and here, as you can see, there is an JavaScript file app.js. So I've already opened it. So this app.js file is the front end of the application. That is, I've already uploaded. I've uploaded here, like you can see, the screens, that stack navigator, the app container, the style sheet, the touchable opacity, image, platform, and dimensions. Here I've uploaded the splash screen, the main tab navigator, and the map screen. And in this part of the code, we are just calling the functions of different classes, that is the splash screen, the main screen, and the map. So, uh, so what is the splash screen? The splash screen is the first thing that is going to open when you click our app. What is the main screen? The main screen is this. This is the main screen. And after main screen, this is the event screen. Then after the event screen, this is the map screen. So Satya, my friend, will be going to explain uh, what is the home screen. What is the source code for the home screen? This. He will be telling you all the working and all. And as of now, I'm gonna explain you the splash screen. Okay. So just a second. So yeah, the src folders contains all the source code of the application. Like as I told you, the first is the splash screen, then the home screen, then events, then map, then the main tabs, and at the last map. So in the splash screen, we are using a time constant of 2 seconds. Okay, so after 2 seconds, it's gonna just uh, when the user will open the app, in uh, it will prompt, it will automatically, the application will automatically divert the user towards the main page or the home page of the application after 2 seconds. And in the here in here we have used the prop navigation function to navigate the user screen to the main screen or the main screen, the home screen. In render, we are returning the value of the style. We are returning the value, and we are returning the value of the function, that is the style and all. This is the width, this is the height, and here you can see the constant are styles and text styles. View styles are the how the page is going to be like, and text style how the text present in the page is going to be like. So this is the splash screen. So Satya is going to tell you about the home screen, and all the same things are going to happen with the events, with the main, with the map. Everything is same almost. Like for events, we are calling different classes. We are again using exporting functions. We are using functions component, and then again we are using render function to again see this part, the rendered part in the whole. So every source code, it's the main. It's like the main database or the data housing function or the data housing data calling function. It is doing all the part, and like after the splash screen gets executed, the home screen will get executed. After the home screen, the events will get executed. After the events, main tab, and after the main tab, map. So in map, we have use the Google API key through provided through GCP, and here we have provided the longitude and the longitude null, and here we have asked to navigate it through the drop latitude and drop longitude. and this thing, the get direction thing, that's it only draws the straight line. That's see the map part is this thing, this line. So first the user needs to enter the drop location, that is the drop longitude, latitude, then request a drone, then select its order, and then just get the drone to your surface. It's cool. So Satya will be taking the charge now, and he's gonna explain the source code behind the home, the first page of the application.
Hi, this is Satya. As my friends already explained about our idea and the front end part, here I am going to explain about the back end part of the project. As you already know, we are working on the drone, and this is the back end part of our project. Here we are going to import style sheet text and the necessary things we need to use for in this project. And here we are importing latitude and longitude in order to deliver the drone in the specific location. So at first we are giving the values 0 and 0, and here we are giving the null values because as of now we don't know where to deliver our product. And when coming to the here, these are the coordinates. We need to enter the latitude and longitude coordinates so that the drone can understand where we are going to uh, leave our delivery. And in this part of the code is checking whether we entered the right region or not. If we didn't enter any coordinates, like, then it will show an error. This part of the code is for that. And when coming to the this is the styling, where we give our text like height and width. And this is everything about the styling part for text editing and color, background color and borders. That is every much it. And thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.